You're watching Dancehall and News TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I know there are illegal people living in Jamaica, but according to the Gleaner it's a lot, and the Jamaican government is trying to fix that problem now. Here's the news. Amnesty for persons living illegally in Jamaica. National Security Minister Robert Montague says the government will be embarking on an amnesty in early 2018 aimed at regularizing the status of some 15,000 to 20,000 persons living illegally in Jamaica. He said the decision follows a recent submission he made to Cabinet on the matter. "We have many persons who came here illegally. They have lived here, married and have children and grandchildren, and have never sorted out their status. We want to give them an opportunity to become Jamaican citizens," Montague said. He was speaking at a swearing-in ceremony, hosted by the Passport, Immigration, and Citizenship Agency at the Police Officers Club in St. Andrew on Thursday for 47 foreign nationals who have been granted Jamaican citizenship. Montague noted that there are many foreigners who, although living illegally in Jamaica for some time, have nonetheless contributed significantly to Jamaica's development. But they have never sorted out their documents, and we want to give them that opportunity to become permanent residents and use this as a step towards gaining citizenship, he added. Montague pointed out that other countries have extended that gesture to Jamaicans, and in this regard it is the least we can do for those who have helped to build this economy and nation but, somehow, have never sorted out their documents. And that is the news. Remember to turn on your notification bell so you will be notified of new uploads. So until the next video. Time waits for no one. I'm out.